Good afternoon, my friend. Good afternoon, grade 6. Today we'll make revision about some math examples and lessons. Our first lesson is talking about the power or the exponent. Okay. So if we have number is multiplied by itself many times, I can remove this photo and convert it to another shape. I will convert to 2 power, like here. I can see what, Muhammad? I can see here, Muhammad, 4 is multiplied by itself. How many times?
5 times.
4 times, right? I can see
5.
here 4 is multiplied by
yeah.
itself. How many times? Count with me. 1, 2,
4.
3, 4. How I can write this number? I will write this number, Muhammad, 4 raised to power 4. So this one is written 4, and over that, as a power or exponent or index, I will write a small 4 as a power. So if you have a number raised to power, so this number, how many times is repeated, ya Muhammad? I will write the base is down 4, and how many times is repeated? 4. So it will be equals 4 raised to power 4.
4.
Example number 2. I have 10 by 10 by 10. So 10 by
I do
10,
it.
I can write it. It's
I
equal.
do it.
Okay, can
I
you
will
write
write
10 power what?
this 3 now.
10 raised to power 3. Or we can
Yeah.
set that 10 cubed. 10 raised to power 3, or I can set this one is 10 cubed, right?
Okay.
Okay, can you solve with me the next number 3, Muhammad? I have 14 times 14. 14 times 14, Muhammad. How I can write this?
14 and 2.
14 raised to power 2, Muhammad. Don't set 14 and 2. I said 14 raised to power 2, or I can read it 14 squared. 14 raised to power 2, or I can read this one as that 14 squared, right?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Okay.
Can you solve number 4, Muhammad? 3 by
3.
3 by 3 by 3. How many
3
times?
power 4.
Excellent. I will write this is 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4 because I write 3 4 times, right? 3
Yeah.
multiplied by itself for 4 times. If you have 3 multiplied by itself for 4 times, it equals 3 raised to power 4, okay? Number 5, Muhammad. I have 2 by 2 by 2.
2 power 3.
Excellent. Or I can read it by another way, Muhammad. 2 power 3 or
What? 2
cubed.
square
Cubed, ya
cube
Muhammad.
3.
This one is 2 cubed. 2 power 3, or I can read this number as 2 cubed, ya Muhammad. 2 cubed, my friend. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Read with me the next question, please.
Number 6.
Yes?
6 multiply by it 6 times. 5 times, I said.
5 times. You must take care from the count. Here we have 5 times of 6, right? 6 is multiplied by itself 5 times. How I can write it, Muhammad?
6 power 5.
6 power 5. 6 raised to power 5, right? So 6 raised to power 5, this is the answer. Number 7, Muhammad, 8.2 times 8.2 times 8.2. How I can convert to power?
8.2 not power, I will say the another one.
Raised to power what? Raised to power 3, okay, or cube.
8.2 cube 3.
Or raised to power 3, right?
Yes, yes.
8.2, Muhammad, raised to power 3 or cube. The next one, I have 7 by 7 by 7. How many times, ya Muhammad? 7 multiplied by itself.
6 times.
6 times. Here, 9.5 times 9.5 times 9.5. How I can write this?
What?
Here, number 9.
Okay. 9.5 power 3.
Power 3, or I can read this one. How?
Cube.
Cubed. Okay. Now go with me to the next question. Read the head and go and solve it in the chat, Muhammad. From 10 to
Write each
15.
power
These 6 examples. Raise your voice, please. Speak up.
Write each power as a product of the same factor, then find
the value.
the value.
Again, write each power as product.
Write each power
as product of the same factor. Then find the value. Right? I need you now, Muhammad, go to the chat and solve the 6 problems in the chat box, please.
The first 3.
From
After
10 to 15, my friend.
I will do the first 3. After that, I will do from 13 to 15.
Okay. You finish?
No,
hurry up.
But
hurry up, my friend. Thank you, Muhammad. You write them? The first one is 9 power 4. So I will write 9 multiplied by itself 4 times. 9 by 9 by 9 by 9. 4 times. 9 multiplied by itself, Muhammad, for 4 times. The next, I have 2 raised to power what? 2 raised to power 3 or cubed. I can say 2 power 3 or cubed. It means 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. Excellent, Muhammad. The next, 3 power 5. It means the 3 multiplied by itself 5 times, right?
Yeah.
Excellent, Muhammad. After that, 4 power 3, 4 cubed. 4 cubed. It means this number multiplied by itself how many times, ya Muhammad?
3 times.
3 times, excellent. So I will write 4 power 3, excellent, Muhammad. 4 by 4 by 4, 3 times. The next one, number 14, 6 power 5, 6 raised to power 5.
I send it.
Excellent, excellent, Muhammad. Amazing student, you are amazing. Here, 5 power 4. How many times I write 5 here, Muhammad?
4.
4 times. Okay. Thank you, Muhammad. Now we go to example number 19. Read the question, Muhammad.
The number of
calories. Do you know the meaning of the calories?
Yeah, like energy, 1000.
Yes, it gives you energy. After that, if you're running, if you're walking, it gives you the energy to do that. So if the number of calories is what, Muhammad?
Energy.
Yes. In the small banana. Do you eat banana? Do you like eat banana?
Not very, very.
No, the banana is good fruit because it gives you many calories and many vitamins. Okay, Muhammad? So you must eat that at least 2 every day. At least 2 banana every day.
Okay.
Okay. We
can
need
be
to write
writing
2 power 7. Can you write this in the chat and get the result to know how many calories banana give you?
Okay.
2 power 7. It means 2 multiplied by itself for 6 times, Muhammad, right?
Yeah.
Tell me about the number of calories banana give you. One banana, one small banana give you.
What?
I will multiply 2 power 7, right? Multiply them and get the result. Equals what, Muhammad? By using calculator.
Without it.
Without? Can you get it without calculator? It will be perfect if you do that.
I will try.
Okay. I can multiply 2 by 2 by 2 3 times. It gives me 8, right? And another time.
Mister, wait.
Okay. I try to help you.
256.
What?
256.
Raise your voice again.
256.
Excellent. So this one is 256. 256. I think you add 1, 2. Because 2 power 7 is equal the half of this number.
Yeah.
I said 8 by 8 by 2. 8 by 8 equals 64. By 2, 7 times only, Muhammad.
128.
128. So 2 power 8 is equal to 256. 2 power 8 is equal to 256. But 2 power 7, it gives you 128. So you must know that, Muhammad. If you eat one banana, it gives you 128 calories. You understand that, Muhammad? So we need banana so much because it gives me many calories. Okay, we go now to another lesson, Muhammad, to make the revision over this lesson. He's talking about the numerical expression. Do you remember that? If we need to do any operation, Muhammad, we have order, right? Like what? We will make power, right? And brackets. After that, divided and times together from left to right. After that, plus and minus together. In the first example, number 1, ya Muhammad, he gives me 14 minus 5 plus 7. What we will do here? I go from the left to the right. So firstly, I will subtract 14 minus 5, right?
Yeah.
14 minus 5 equals what? 14 minus 5, it gives me
9.
After that, I add 9 with 7. Add 9 with 7, Muhammad.
Equals 16.
Excellent. 9 plus 7, it equals 16. So the result of this example is equal what? 16, right? So again, Muhammad, I will do like bad math. You remember this word we write in the class? Bad math?
I think yes.
It's abbreviation. We said that bad math is abbreviation, Muhammad. B, it means bracket. O means power or root. After that, D divided. After that, M multiplying. A add, S subtract. Do you remember this word? So we need to go with this formula to solving any example. Can you help me to solving number 2, Muhammad? I have 12 plus 10 minus 5 minus 6. What I do firstly?
Okay. 12. 5 minus 6.
No, my friend. We go from left to right.
5.
Muhammad, I go from left to right. If I have plus and minus by this way, my friend, I go from the left to the right. How? Okay. Like English, like you write English. You write English from left to the right, right? Yeah. If you have plus and minus, you must go from left to the right. How? I will make 12 plus 10 first. 12 plus 10 equals what?
22.
22. It equals 22. 12 plus 10 equals 22. After that, minus 5.
17.
17. Minus 6.
11.
Excellent, Muhammad. So the answer of this example, number 2 is equal what? 11.
11.
Don't forget, ya Muhammad. If I have plus and minus together by this way, I go from left to the right. From left to the right. Okay, Muhammad? Don't set for me 5 minus 6. As you said, this is absolutely wrong. It can't be the answer of the exam. Okay? Can we solve number 3, Muhammad? Can you help me?
Okay.
50 minus 6 plus 12 plus 4. Firstly?
Okay. 50 minus 6 equals 44. 44 plus 12.
44 plus 12?
56.
56. Excellent.
4 plus
After that, 56 plus 4?
Equals 60.
Excellent, Muhammad. Excellent. So the answer in this case is equal 60. How I do this? Again, I make 50 minus 6. 50 minus 6, it gives me the answer is 44. 44. After that, 44 plus 12, it equals 56.
56.
After that, 56, and I add 4, it gives me 60. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Can you help me solving number 4 now?
Okay. 12 minus 2 equal 10.
What? Again, take care, you have multiplying, Muhammad. You have 12 minus 2 times 3. What is first, multiplying or subtraction?
No, multiply.
Yes, so if I have multiplying and the division, the rule is changed, Muhammad. If you have multiplying or division, Muhammad, you must do them before plus and minus. Again, Muhammad,
but
if we have times or divided, my friend, I must do them firstly. So here in this example, I must multiply 2 by 3. 2 by 3 equals what, Muhammad?
6.
6. So if I multiply 2 by 3, the result is 6. 12 minus 6.
6.
Equals 6. The same number. So firstly, Muhammad, I will multiply 2 by 3. Right? I will multiply 2 by 3. 2 by 3 gives me what? 6. After that, I will subtract 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6, it gives me the same number 6. Can you help me in number 5? What we do firstly, plus or times?
Times. 4 multiply 5.
Excellent, Muhammad. I multiply 4 by 5. 4 by 5 equals what?
20.
20. 4 by 5 is equal 20. Excellent, Muhammad. After that, I add 16 plus 20.
16 plus 20 equal 36.
36. Excellent, Muhammad. So I add 20 to 16. The result is 36. Number 6, can you help me?
Okay.
What we do first, plus or times or minus?
Multiply.
Multiplying, okay, or times. 3 by 4 equals?
12.
12. I have the product of 3 by 4 equals 12. After that, 5 plus 12.
5 plus 12 equal 17. 17 minus 7 equal 10.
Okay, excellent, Muhammad. Amazing. You are today is amazing student. Okay, can you help me to solving the next 3 alone, Muhammad? I need to check you understand the lesson or no. Don't forget, times firstly, after that, plus and minus. If you have division, so that division and times, I will go from the left to the right, ya Muhammad. If you have that, you go from the left to the right. Okay, don't solve number 8, Muhammad. Don't solve 7 and 9. I will solve 8 with you.
Mister, I will solve 8. If I
you solve it 8? Okay. If you solve 8, right? I will give you a big star.
Okay. Mister, number 7, I write it in the chat or I
write it in the chat, Muhammad. Write the answer in the chat. What we do firstly?
Mister.
Yes.
I do the 2 multiply after that plus.
So I multiply 2 by 3, right?
Yeah.
It gives me what?
6.
6. And I will multiply 2 by 9?
18.
So 2 by 3 equals 6. 2 by 9 is equal 18. After that, I add them together.
24. I got it.
Yes. So the result here is 24. Can you solve number 8?
Yeah, I will see it.
Go.
The answer is 50.
I don't need the answer because I can put that over the calculator. Muhammad, tell me what is the steps. What is first? What is second? What is third?
Okay.
Hurry up. What we do first? Tell me. You don't need to write.
Okay, we will do it from the left. It's multiply. 6
so
multiply
firstly,
8.
I will do the multiplying. So if we have multiply and division, Muhammad, I go from the left to the right, like the plus and minus. Okay?
Okay.
6 by 8.
Okay.
6 by 8.
Equal 48.
Equals 48. I will let the answer, right? Now I will go to what?
4 divide 2.
Excellent. So firstly, I will do the multiplying. 6 by 8. 6 by 8 equals what, Muhammad?
48.
6 by 8 is equal 48. Okay, 6 by 8 is equal 48. After that, I will divide it 4 by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Right? Now I add the two results. Add 48 plus 2. I add them together. 48 plus 2, Muhammad, is equal what?
48 plus 2 equal 50.
This one is equal 50. So the result of this one is equal 50.
Mister, I said it the first time. I said 50. You said we didn't do in the calculator.
Again, Muhammad, what you said?
I said it for you. It's 50. The answer is 50.
Yes. Muhammad, I need the steps, my friend. I need the steps. Don't tell me the answer all. Because I said for you, the calculator can help me to solve that by using that. But I need that by the steps. Tell me, I will do that number 1. This is number 2, firstly, secondly, third. Okay, Muhammad? I know that you are amazing. You don't do it over the calculator. But I need the steps first. You know that. Okay. In all the examples, I need the steps. Can you solve number 9 now?
Okay.
Go.
7 multiply 6, 42. 42 minus 14 equal 28.
42 minus 14 is equal 28. So firstly, I will multiply 7 by 6, right? Firstly, I will multiply 7 by 6. After that, Muhammad, I will make minus 7 by 6. After that, I will make minus 14, right? So 42 minus 14, it gives me 28. Now we go to some problems is more difficult than the first. Number 10, ya Muhammad. He gives me plus, times, and dividing. What I will do firstly in problem number 10?
From the right. You said if I have divide or multiply from the right.
Muhammad, you carefully. I will do times firstly. I don't. Muhammad, we're talking about math. Math is like English. Go from left to right. So if I have multiplying and division, I go to the division, 4 divided by 8? I don't think so.
No, I
Okay. You have confused. Here,
yeah.
From the left. We go from left to right, like English, like math. We go from left to right. So first I do the multiplication, Muhammad. 12 by 4, Muhammad, is equal what?
12 by 4, it's equal 48.
12 by 4 equal?
48.
48. 12 by 4 equal 48, right?
Yeah.
12 by 4 equal 48, Muhammad. Okay. After I do the multiplying, 48, I will divide it by what, Muhammad?
48. After that, do the divide.
Divided over what?
48 divided 8.
Divided by 8. 48 divided by 8 equals?
6.
6. So I will multiply 12 by 4. It gives me 48. After that, I will divide it by 8. 48 divided by 8, it equals 6. Now what we do, Muhammad?
6 plus 8.
Excellent. I will add 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, my friend, is equal what?
14.
8 plus 6 is equal?
14.
14. So the result in example number 10 is 14.
14.
Amazing, Muhammad. Can you help me in example number 11?
Okay. Okay. 6 multiplied 2.
Yes, tell me the steps only. 6 by 2 equals
12.
12. I have
12
6
plus
by 2
1.
is equal 12. Now I will make what, Muhammad?
Plus.
I will make plus. No. I go from left to right, Muhammad. What is left? 13 minus 12, right?
Listen, if I got 13 minus 12 equal.
Speak up, please. Speak up. Raise your voice.
If I do from the left to right, it's equal 13 minus 12.
So I have 13 minus 12.
Yeah,
right?
It's negative 1.
13 minus 12, yeah, Muhammad.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, Muhammad. If I have minus and plus by this shape,
I think it's 1.
I make minus because I go from left to right. 13 minus 12 equals what, Muhammad?
1.
1. 1 plus another 1
Equal 2.
equals 2. Okay, Muhammad? You understand it?
Okay.
Okay. I need you to solving over this lesson more than these examples, so you can go to the book and solve the independent brackets and the extra brackets. Okay, Muhammad? Thank you for your time. I enjoyed this session with you. Happy Ramadan. Enjoy your time in Ramadan with praying. Don't forget to pray on time and reading Quran. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. You are today my best friend. Thank you, my friend. Bye-bye.
Bye.